Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is another opportunity. This is another day for us to make money in this year 2026. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim a $50 no deposit account that you can use to start trading with. To get this account, you don't have to make a payment. You don't have to make any deposit. All you have to do is just follow me step by step to the end of this video on how you can claim this particular $50 account. Make sure you watch it carefully so you don't miss out on the details that I'll be giving you. As for the terms and conditions, I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel. So please do well to join the Telegram channel so you can get the terms and conditions on how you can make withdrawals for this particular account. Make sure you join the Telegram channel so you can get the terms and conditions. Now let's head to how we can get this account. The first thing you need to do is to check the description of this video. Once you check the description of this video, you see a link there to take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, don't forget, click on join, and then you can go ahead and click on the link that will bring you right to this part here. Showing on the screen is how you are going to register an account with them for you to proceed to getting the $50 account. So now all you have to do here is just put in your first name, your last name, your email address. Of course, you put your country, your phone number, create your password, add the username, you can add my referral code, and after that you click on register with City Forex. And after clicking on register with City Forex, you have this right shown on the screen. All you have to do is just verify that you are human. And also, this bonus is actually available for all the country. Everybody can get this particular bonus. So now let's verify that you are human, and then you click on continue. As you can see success, then we go ahead and click on continue to move to the next stage. So the next thing you want to be doing is to go to your email to verify your email address. As you can see, this is the message you'll be receiving from them. So you just go ahead and click on verify email address right here, and you'll be going to the next step in which you can use to get this account. As you can see, email verified successfully. You can now log in. So I'm just going to log into this account. So this is me after I've already logged in my account. As you can see here, to complete your profile, you can go ahead and go to profile, but I'm just going to skip this for now so we can quickly go ahead on. I can show you on how you can get this particular account. So I'm going to take this away, but make sure you complete your profile. It is very important. So I'm just going to click on this right here, and as you can see, this is what your dashboard looks like right here. You are saying welcome to your account right here. So without any further ado, the next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Once you scroll down, you click on create new ticket. As you can see right here, you create new ticket. Once you get here, you will see that it is only verified users that can create a support ticket at the moment, as you can see right here. So all you have to do is just verify your account, verify all your details, then you can come back here and create new tickets. Once you create the ticket, you'll be given an ID number. That ID number is what you send to your support. You send to the support so they can credit you your $50 account, as you can see right here. So make sure you do well to verify your account so you can be able to get your ID and you can go ahead and get the account. So, and as for the terms and conditions, only profit can be withdrawn. That means you cannot withdraw your bonus, you can only withdraw your profit. Then the minimum withdrawal amount is 50 and your maximum amount of withdrawal is 250 USD, as you can see right here. So please do well to follow this step so you don't miss out on how you can miss this particular account. Don't forget, once you get your ID after verifying your account, send your ID to their support, create the ticket, and request for your $50 account, and they will credit you immediately. If you know you're having any issue in getting this particular account, do well to drop it in the comment section and I will help you through it as well. So please make sure you follow the process so you don't miss out on the update and due dates. And also please do well to subscribe to the channel. It is very, very important that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. It is very important. Once you subscribe to the channel, you get access to my videos faster than people who have yet to subscribe to the channel, and you have leverage on getting the accounts faster and easier. So please do well to subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to join the Telegram channel. See you in my next video.